This is a photo montage of myself and my two sons redoing a 2001 F250 powerstroke diesel. This truck had numerous issues: clear coat peeling on the roof, hood, and all upper portions of body panels. It also had rocker panels that were rotted out on both sides of the vehicle, along with the cab corners. The truck also had rotted out bed supports that had to be replaced, along with a dent in the upper rail of the bed. There was also a small dent in the tailgate and in the passenger front fender. Here are some pictures of us going through the process of redoing the truck. This is a spray booth that I set up in my backyard using tarps and drop cloths, along with an easy up to spray the bed. Overall, it worked well, except as you can see, I should not have used blue tarps. Thank you for watching the video. Here is the completed truck.